Okay, we will be analyzing three pairs. We will be looking at gold, the dollar index, and euro USD, three pairs. And remember, you've got a Fed tonight. So you've got Fed minutes tonight, which is a news which comes within seconds and have a volatility of nearly between 60 to 80 pips on average. So let's see how the technicals forms first. What is the development of the technical price action before we look at the event, at what time that event is. Um, Dollar index in front of you, gold in front of you, price is on support right now. You've got the moving average support, you've got major support level. And if you see, we've been in this range. In this range, we had once, we bounced from there, another, we came back. Now, since yesterday, look at the candlestick, a hammer formation rejection. The candle before was pretty much like an inverted hammer. And then the price came further to the downside at 1393. If, and that's what my expectation, if the price holds it at this level, then I will be expecting the price, and that's what my expectation is. If the price holds at this level, I am expecting the price to go higher. So take note on this. Gold is on a support level. Please understand, gold is on a support level. So that's where we are. As long the price remains above 1382, I will be expecting the price to go higher. Remember, you are in a strong bullish momentum. Price, even if it retraces further, you are still in a bullish market. But yes, specifically for this week and for tonight and tomorrow's price action, as long the price remains above this level, I will be looking for buying opportunities on this pair. Now let's have a look on. Yeah, the price actions looks pretty good on this. Price came down nicely, and now it's forming that bullish momentum here. You can see hammer formations, repeated hammers, engulfing candles, you can engulf the previous candlestick, rejections there. So again, if the price holds there, that I'm expecting the price to go higher. So let's shape it up a little. So the trading plan, I'm going for this. Trading plan, and again, guys, I'm sharing the trading plan. You use your strategies which you use to enter and exit and manage the trade on this trading plan to maximize advantage on this. So now, what else do I see? Where this trading plan is confirmed, let's consider this. Price is coming down. Let's have a look. Price is coming down. So where this trading plan is kind of bullish momentum, more bullish momentum. Price breaks this level, and above this, it has a bullish momentum. It has more bullish momentum. You're more likely to see the price goes higher then. When the price is in this zone, you will have more buyers than sellers. So to formalize and finalize this trading plan, price above this, yes, it will carry more momentum. So even if the price, let's have, if the price goes up and come back, it will carry more momentum when the price is in this area. Please understand. Because if the price goes up and come back, it means buyers had engulfed the sellers, and it's only retracing. So if you've been conservative trader, then you should wait for the break of this level before the price comes back. Look for buying opportunities on on a higher high formation, higher low formation. This is conservative approach. Of course, guys, there is a decent momentum, and if you zoom into this on the smaller time frames, you can look for a high low formation and take advantage. But as far as the plan is concerned, this is a beautiful price action forming right at the support level. That is the first one. Let's break it down further. I can see a formation of a pattern there. Inverted head and shoulder. Really see it. Again, I'm not a fan of these patterns, but yes, some of them sometimes really aligns. So you've got this head and shoulder formation. Inverted head and shoulder. So because of this inverted head and shoulder, as you can see, this is your head. That's your head. Left shoulder, price forming a right shoulder. As long price fails to break this level, you'll be expecting the price. And calculated targets are these ones. That's the first target, which is a decent, from the neckline, a decent 160 pips. So we will see how this plays. So we'll see how this plays out. Gold, we are bullish on this because the price is sitting on a support level at the moment with printing a bullish intention, which you intention of the price is pretty. These candlesticks in perspective. Now, gold is bullish. Then I like to see dollar bearish. Gold and dollar are enemies. Before the gold dominance, dollar used to be the global dominating currency in which the business used to take place. And when the dollar came in, their movement are not precisely 100% opposite to each other. I'd say between 65 to 80%. Exceptions are news events. Let's look at the dollar. So gold, bullish bias on this. Let's have a look at the dollar index, DXY. Dollar index is sitting on a major resistance level. Again, overall, dollar has been printing bullish price action, but you are approaching these significant levels. And this analysis is precisely for this week price action for the next coming few days. And from today to rest of the week, we are sitting at a major level, daily level, important daily levels. Guys, remember, price can slip on to the next level as well. Don't be surprised. Right now, we are rejecting or sitting at the major level. That's the first thing. Also, in a market structure, you are sitting at low high formation. You are sitting at resistance level. Now, based off the rules of the price action, you can never buy at resistance and you can never buy at a low high. What you can do on these two things, say this, as long price remains below this level, you should be looking for a bearish dollar. That's my first trading plan. Again, price, if it goes higher, I am still interested in selling dollar. Simple. So dollar index, we are bearish on this. It aligns with the price action we are watching and developing on the gold. So see this, it's aligning, confluencing. Confluence is the presence of confluence there. It's good. We'll see how this plays out. Again, guys, use your strategies to take advantage of this price action. I'm not teaching strategies in this. These videos are just for me to share the analysis, the trading plans, try to understand how to I conduct a top-bottom analysis and take advantage. Use your strategies to take advantage of these trading plans. Now, if the dollar is bearish, then I will be expecting Euro USD to be bullish. So if the dollar goes down, Euro goes higher. Remember this, opposite direction. Dollar goes down, Euro goes higher. Let's have a look. So if dollar is on resistance, I'd like to see Euro USD on a support level. Let's have a look. Euro USD is sitting on a support level. Interesting. Now, it is sitting on a support level, and by the rules of market structure, it is sitting on a higher high formation, higher low formation. Higher low formation, support level. Based on the rules of price action, guys, you can only buy there. That's it. You can't sell it at a higher low and a support level. And if you look at yesterday's candlesticks, after these engulfing candlesticks, if you see the momentum has evaporated, you can see the rejection there. So my trading plan will be, I'm expecting the price, if it holds there, price to go higher. That's my trading plan. Also, I've got another trading plan in place. Same as gold, which earlier. So use your strategies, which you learn on this to take advantage of this bullish trading plan. That's what my intention is. If I take you on this, this is where we are. Momentum, when the price carries momentum, let's have a look. Personally, if the price, I'm being very aggressive on this, if the price is above this, above this line, if the price breaks this, you'll have bullish momentum. So conservative approach will be break of this, then look for, the moment price breaks this, buyers overrides the sellers, then wait for retracement, look for a low to take it. Even if the price came back, it's perfectly fine. Look for a higher low formation to take. An amazing week, a very good week when it comes to analysis on US 30 analysis I've shared on YouTube to look for the selling opportunities on this, and you've seen the other price been melting, and I've shared the analysis on Euro yen last week, which I said look for the buying opportunities on this, and the price has been nicely rising on this. And if the dollar lost its strength and euro rises, then I'm expecting more strength on euro yen to go further to the upside. We'll see how this plays out, but that's where we are. So again, review this alignment of this. I'm going to say it again. Gold, bullish. Dollar, bearish. If gold is bullish, dollar should be bearish. Euro, bullish. This is the normal movement of the price action. That's what the relationship is. Remember, ideally I will trade them when gold is on major support, dollar on major resistance, USD on major support. That is only when I will be trading these pairs. That's how I trade these pairs. Right now, every pair is on a major level. Ideal situation. We'll see how this plays out again. There's no guarantees involved. It's the highest probable trading. Guys, you've got news tonight, which is Fed. Right? So guys, news is an event for the market makers to manipulate the markets and add on to stop hunts. So news can invalidate anything. It might well be a stop hunt, price spikes in opposite directions of these plans and then continue going back in direction of our analysis, which I strongly believe is going to be the case. So trade after the news or have tight stop losses. It's entirely your choice. but you have a news event, and that news event is 7 p.m. tonight, United Kingdom, FOMC minutes. So be careful on this. But that's where we are. Euro USD, we're bullish on this. Dollar index, bearish on this. So if dollar index is bearish, you should be expecting all US crosses to rise. Australian dollar to rise, GBP to rise, New Zealand dollar to rise, USD CAD to drop, and you've got Euro USD to rise. Guys, how to select the best pair out of these? Open those pairs, look which pair is at the best support level. That's it, on the daily chart. That's how you make a selection of it. The pair which is on the best support level should be the selection that you should be making to trade against the dollar weaknesses. I hope you enjoyed the session. Let's see how the news plays out. I've been busy, hence I'm not sharing too many videos, but I'll try to share more analysis in the near future. Thank you.